Hello, I'm Ted Jones with MarineMax in Stuart. Welcome aboard this brand new SDX 270 Outboard Sea Ray. What an awesome boat, I'll tell you. Dash is configured very nicely. Great sounding Fusion stereo, SIMRAD, screen setup that has GPS, fish finder, depth finder, and also has all your engine data in it. This helm is very comfortable to sit at. It does have this seat set up that at the moment is in the regular seat position, and it also folds up and has a bolster set up. Very, very comfortable. Passenger side, the same setup. Has a bolster that flips up. The other thing that's nice about this, the backrests on both these seats flip forward. And it gives you all kinds of room in the boat. Tell you, this boat for the sandbar, taking the family to lunch, dinner cruise, it is awesome. It's powered by a Mercury 300 horsepower, phenomenal running engine, very strong running engine, tell you, very fuel efficient. It does also have this beautiful arch setup on it, white with blue canvas. The hull of this boat is blue, so it's a beautiful combination. And there's lots of room in the bow of this boat as well. Plenty of seating, plenty of area for laying out. Again, enjoying the boat with the family, the sandbar. You do have a nice head compartment in this boat as well. Has a sink, plenty of room in that. All right, to get out and ride on this boat, or for more information, please give me a call. Ted Jones, MarineMax Stuart. 772-263-6743. Thank you for your time.